Smart blinds have really been outstanding lately, and a lot of people ask us, why would they consider a smart blind versus something that you could just walk up and tilt open or closed or raise and lower? And really, we talk to our clients about lifestyle. It isn't about being lazy of getting off the couch and being able to raise or lower a shade. I think anybody can do that, but what's the lifestyle? Let's say you have kids that you cook breakfast for every morning and the light streams in from the east side and nobody can sit at the breakfast bar and eat breakfast because the sun's hitting you in the face. What if you had the ability to time that or even work on solar science so that it came down and blocked that light before you ever came into the kitchen to cook breakfast for the kids? That's about a lifestyle. That's not about being lazy or walking up and opening and closing the shades. One of the things we found with our clients is that, frankly, time has become more important than money. And if you have the ability to control all of your shades opening or closing or putting them into the position that you want when you come home or when you leave, and you value your time and not walking around the house to raise and lower and tilt 15 and sometimes 50 windows around a house, motorization and smart blinds are a great option to be able to control that, as we can program scenes on your phone. We can program it with control systems like Control4 or Savant or Crestron or standalone. You could just use on your phone with an app and make it really easy to open and close them. Many of the shade companies are now working on solar science so that we can use predictive technology and where the sun's going to be and what the weather's going to be like to control where your shades go. And to me, this is about enjoying your lifestyle, paying attention to the beautiful land that might be around you, or focusing on your kids, or focusing on the things around your house that don't take you walking around the house to open, close shades, tilt shades, and constantly keep up with that. However, a lot of people do choose manual shades, and typically budget is what's taken into consideration when deciding between manual and smart blinds or shades. Manual blinds and shades are going to save you a considerable amount of money, and they're going to provide all of that function and all of that lifestyle with the user opening and closing them rather than that process being automated.